iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Welcome to the weekend. We're back. Before we start the video, I would like to urge you to do one thing for us. We are on Facebook, iDiskiTV. We have around 210,000 followers there. Whenever we have a problem on YouTube, make sure you like and follow us on Facebook, because if we have a problem on YouTube, we'll always upload our videos on Facebook as well. We will never not shoot matches. Orlando Pirates is playing at the moment. There are no visuals for that game. They're playing in the CAF Champions League. AmaZulu also are playing in the CAF Champions League. There are no visuals at the moment. We can't see them. In this video, we'll quickly just analyze Sundowns playing against Maniema on Sunday, and then Kaizer Chiefs, Chippa United as well. Masqale ke mfoka Khanye ngeMamelodi Sundowns ngecawe badlala neManiema yase DRC. It's the early stages, so you won't get a tough draw at the beginning. But Maniema number 3 at DRC, Sundowns number 1 in South Africa. They haven't lost or conceded in the last 5 games. How do you see that one?
Yes, sir. Nice another thing. Yes, sir. Ngubulise Trucks Justice bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one. We're trying to fix South African football. Kuleko ivaru ukuthi I like Sundowns. They have, compared to other teams in DStv Premiership, like team I-15, they are ahead. All these teams, they are ahead. Each team they don't change. Identity, about the identity. They've got one proper structure. They hardly you hardly see them adopting to muntu. Whether you beat them, for instance, my early game is Sundowns if they play Pirates against Sundowns Pirates or Sundowns Chiefs, Sundowns Chippa. When you can score 2 minutes Sundowns, you won't see them pumping the ball forward. They will keep on playing. And then but definitely show it. So I love them. Very team in the structure, experiencing this trophy, whereby they own it, but you will say me quarter. They've got experienced players individually. I'm a player lab, but they are ready. Yeah, obvious. I've got 1 or 2 players. I'm not a personal problem, but the way team is with why they are there. So, and especially with the cup zobanzim, good player arise. But Sundowns, I see them winning. I don't know much with that team, but if I've been hearing the name, the team, but the way they play, early stages, good tournament, but. Sundowns, the way in Yazanga believer, the experience that they've got, they've been tested. Whereby they dominate Mazembe.
Which is the top team in Congo.
Yeah, top team in Congo. And no matter what you see what they lost because of their own mistakes, it's Sundowns and they want to win this game. They are far compared to other teams the way Benz in Tonga Corner. It's a slab technically they are good. Check physics in terms of fitness level yabasuta they headless chicken, they run ground all over, they run when it's necessary, and they playing a pace 1 the pace 1 you hardly see them dropping a game in drop drop. Yeah.
All right, remember wsb.co.za. You go there and put your money on the matches. English Premier League is back, Spanish La Liga, Serie A, and everything else is playing. There's also South African teams in the rugby that are playing in the Rugby Nations Championship against the Northern Hemisphere sides. Kaizer Chiefs, Kevin Hunt, Kevin Hunt lost to Chippa United. We covered that game. It was a 1-0. It was around the time when he was losing his job with Chiefs. So maybe he lost it after that game. Bashaya Chippa, 84th minute to Evangawa, Shaipola over Okune or Uvuma. And then I think maybe 7 days later or 10 days later, Kevin Hunt was fired from the Chiefs. It was one of those matches where it became clear Kevin Hunt is not going to be able to stay at Kaizer Chiefs. Now, Kevin Hunt is on the other side. Chiefs are not doing well, even with the replacement of Kevin Hunt, which is Stuart Baxter. Let's have a look at that game in the context. Both teams, number 12, Chiefs, number 13, Chippa United.
Similar type of coaches, but maximum football, not ball believer in terms of playing. I'm a believer in ball players. In other words, I'm a believer in that is pretty ending up with results. Results but when you coach with twins, one is good. They've signed him for good players in Stuart. I'm signing good players, but akakwazi hlanganisa combination. Another thing, he keep on changing goalkeepers. Game ne-game, angakusurprise kusasa faka ukhuni. Enye into futhi liyapay back for yakhe ngalabantu abayithuba ama center back. Midfield game ne-game is been dominated. Akanayo midfield. Up front, striker sakhe head is limele wenza operation. Akanayo umuntu whereby akabelieve ku false number 9 ufuna target man. He keep on playing ama player that awamniki lento ayifunayo. Team yakhe idlala i-style ilo i-one, i-attack you in one indlela e-one nge-transition play sebambonile. Whenever uthawa phethe ibhola ama-team they know ukuthi gonna pump it and then they get ready ugoalkeeper sondela ababi fana ugoalkeeper. So same as Kevin Hunt udlala kanjalo. Kevin has signed many players but ama-player ane zero profile, whereby mangithi zero profile akusama player that bamnikile budget but he decided to kulana ama-player South Africa Champions players adlala South Africa Championship, amanye SAP, amanye ama-players that will play with DStv Premiership but not playing regularly. So he brought those players akuna impact ayenzile ngoba na i-team yakhe ayikho fluid. Maximum football i-set piece ifana ne-half opportunity to him ngikhuluma nge-throw-in, corner kicks, i-free kick. Same as game, mina ngibona i-throw kule game khuleko ngoba badlala igame ibhola elifana. They plan the same. Akekho zothi okay ngizowateka direct, sometimes sideways. No, they rely kuma set pieces, long ball, counter attacks, set pieces. Both team, that's why ngibona i-draw Chippa ingasurprise abantu ngoba i-Chiefs ukuthi wine ishibanda pressure kakhulu ngikhuleko. And the worst part badlala egroundini elihle kakhulu ngikhuluma ngecarpet FNB ayikho bumpy but you hardly see team yabo ikhomba nama-touches. Akusi coach believe with display i-situation izivuma ukuziscore. So ngibona mina i-Chippa it can be draw or Chippa winning this game. Ingaba ne-surprise, yeah.
All right. iDiskiTV, Diski Times and World Sports Betting. Enjoy the matches this weekend. Of course, we'll come back with tomorrow. With Chiefs and Chippa United, and then on Sunday hopefully we can be able to get that game live because it looks like the CAF matches is very difficult to find the videos for them. Sundowns and Maniema as well at 4 p.m. Thank you very much for watching us.